Yes sir, what's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a sad beat in flstudiomobile, bro. Yeah man, the simple trick here is that I used the FX spacer of my chord progression, so I added a little bit of delay instead of it sounding boring. So make sure you subscribe guys. I'm gonna show you everything, how I made the beat, and yeah man, let's grow to 1k. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share our videos. Thank you anyway for the ones supporting me. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight to the video, man. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah man, let's go. Yeah man, unfortunately we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys took some nuggets from out of this video, so make sure you subscribe for me, and yeah man, thank you for watching. Peace.